Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to download and print a statement. Statements can be downloaded and printed from two places within the system. First, we will go over how to download the statement via the diary sidebar. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient's booking. The diary sidebar will open. Scroll down until you find the Download Statement button. The statement will automatically download to your computer's Downloads folder in PDF format once clicked on. Next, we'll go over how to download and print statements from the Debtors screen. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the Debtors segment to open the Debtors screen. Select the desired debtor from the available list. Alternatively, you can also search for the debtor using the search bar. Once locating the desired debtor, click on the Account Details button on the Debtors sidebar. The Account Details screen will open. Click on the Statement button on the Account Details sidebar. The statement will automatically download to your computer's Downloads folder in a PDF format. On the Open statement, click on the printer icon to open the print screen. Please note that the buttons and screens shown in this printing process may differ depending on your computer's operating system. Once the desired printing properties have been set, click on the Print button to print out a hard copy of the statement. If you do not wish to print out a hard copy, click on the Cancel button to return to the open statement. Please note that a QR code will be printed on the bottom of the statement in order for the debtor to make a payment using a payment link. For more information regarding the statement QR code, please refer to the QR code on Statement User Manual linked in this video's description.